In Chapter 22 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the narrator experiences a jarring encounter with Tyler Durden upon waking in his motel room. Tyler, who is manifestly displeased, confronts the narrator about his indiscretions, specifically discussing Tyler with others. This confrontation serves as a pivotal moment for the narrator, as he comes to a profound realization about the nature of his relationship with Tyler. He understands that they share the same body, living as separate entities only in different temporal phases. The narrator's time is his own until he falls asleep. Thereafter, Tyler emerges to take control, orchestrating the activities of the Fight Club and the more ominous Project Mayhem. Tyler's influence and operations have extended far beyond the confines of their immediate environment, now spanning across major US cities like Los Angeles, New York, and Chicago. The revelation that Tyler had used the narrator's body to confront a police commissioner in Seattle underscores the dangerous levels of Tyler's escalation. This confrontation was prompted by the commissioner's threats to dismantle the Fight Club, leading Tyler and several members of Project Mayhem, interestingly, some of whom are police officers themselves, to kidnap and threaten the commissioner, ultimately forcing him to relent. Complicating matters further, Marla Singer's entanglement in their lives introduces an element of paradoxical affection. She is in love with the narrator, albeit under the belief that he is Tyler Durden. This intricate web of identities and relationships punctuates the growing tension and confusion within the narrator. The chapter reaches a critical juncture when the narrator, grappling with the reality of his fragmented identity, confronts Tyler. He asserts that Tyler is merely a hallucination, thereby attempting to reclaim a semblance of control over his existence. The narrator declares, "I was here first," to which Tyler chillingly responds, "Let's see who's here last." This exchange encapsulates the struggle for dominance between the narrator's concurrent identities. Finally, the chapter concludes with the narrator awakening once more, only to find Tyler has disappeared, leaving him to ponder the ominous implications of Tyler's parting words and the uncertain future that lies ahead. The events of Chapter 22 are critical to the development of the novel's central themes, exploring the duality of identity, the search for meaning in a disenchanted world, and the dangerous allure of charismatic leadership. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button and tell me what you would like to see in our next Bookly video in the comment section below. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.